If you have an old SLR film camera, then you might find the need for one of these obscure looking single-use lithium batteries. This one right here is a Energizer 223 size battery, or a CR-P2 if you're getting one from Panasonic. This 223 sized battery can be obtained from a small selection of local shops, but they can be quite expensive, and I've been wondering what's inside the plastic shell. So I've gone ahead to pry one end of it open, and turns out that there is a pair of CR-123 cells soldered together to give a combined total of 6 volts. The cells are fitted quite snugly in the plastic case, and I really hope that it isn't glued together. Hopefully that it will come out through some persuasion. Aha! Okay, it is finally out, and as you can see, there's some corrosion on one of the cells, probably because it's been drained really badly, and it's more than 10 years old, this one. The asymmetrical shape of the battery casing means that it can only be inserted in one direction, and you get polarity protection in this manner. I don't really like it when manufacturers come up with different ways to use the same type of cells. Locally, two CR-123 cells are about $6, but the 223 battery is upwards of $14. Essentially, this means that the additional plastic and a little bit of soldering costs more than the cells inside. I mean, this is ridiculous. I am lucky to find this battery in China for a reasonable price. I paid about $4.50 and it works perfectly. The problem is most shipping companies do not ship lithium products, and I doubt I would ever be able to have it delivered to Singapore. I reckon that I can reuse the plastic shell by soldering up two new CR-123 cells. The CR-123 cells fit snugly in the case. I'm not going to push it in totally because I still need to use this cell, but it is nice to know that it is made up of the more popular battery size. When my battery runs out, I'll probably try it out and record another video.